अरे रस्त्यावर जातो रे गाडी वापस ब्लॉक किया सर तुम्ही आज का मिळवलेले कलेक्टर
एमएचे गाइडलाइन्स जे येयल्या की द पीपल हू आर स्ट्रैंडेड in Goa or people who are working in the hotel industry, shacks, water sports or any of the industry like casino aso ani kolle aso, as a labor, as a worker who wants to go back, MHA guidelines have come आणि ह्या MHA guidelines discuss करपा खातीर आयज कलेक्टर ऑफिसान आमी येयल्ले आहा. पंचायत कांदोली सरपंच प्लेस फेर्नांदीस शॉन मार्टिन्स टर्मिनो बाकीचे आमचे सगळे वांगडी येयल्ले आहा. वी आर वरीड अबाउट दीस पीपल इज बिकॉज दे आर जस्ट मुवींग अराउंड हियर एंड देर इन सर्च ऑफ फूड, इन सर्च ऑफ ग्रॉसरी, पयशे ना म्हणटात, खूब त्रास जाल्ले आहा. सो आमी प्लॅन केला तांकां धाडपाक. तो प्लॅन एक्शनान घालपा खातीर आयज आमी कलेक्टर ऑफिसान येयल्ले आहा. कलेक्टरान आमकां गायडलायन्स दिल्ले आहा. She has already taken a meeting, internal meeting. We also gave her our inputs and we have decided that every panchayat makes the list state-wise with district. Supposing somebody wants to go to Maharashtra or Gujarat in particular district, tinga amka ek bus dhadpak jata. We can send a bus. We already spoke to Kadamba Transport Corporation chairman Carlos आणि त्यांचा MD मिस्टर घाटे ताजे कडेन उलयल्ले आहा आमी. प्रायवेट बसीजां कडेन उलयल्ले आहा आमी. ऑल दोज पीपल हू आर स्ट्रैंडेड इन गोवा विथ देयर ओन व्हेकल्स दे कैन डायरेक्टली अप्लाई टू कलेक्टर एंड कलेक्टर विल गिव विदिन 2-3 hours a letter to them, a order to them to leave Goa and go to that particular state, go to that district, because Goa being a green zone, Goa is fully declared as a green zone, so people from Goa who are travelling from Goa are safe. But definitely their protocol will tell them to do a swab test over there to check for COVID-19. So this is a positive thinking of MHA with their guidelines, a positive thinking from Goa government and Collector North, who have said that from tomorrow we will start issuing all the passes. Even if you give us details today, we will start issuing. Who have their own vehicles can apply over here online, get their order online and directly start proceeding to go to Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat or wherever it is. Now buses we are going to arrange from Panchayat side. Kalangut, Kandolim, I will speak to Anjuna Panchayat, I will speak to even Mandre, Arambol, Keri with their MLAs. I will speak to them, tell them to gather information, give it to collector. Collector will give them NOC by talking to their counterpart in Karnataka, in Maharashtra, in Madhya Pradesh, in West Bengal, talking to their collector, getting the NOC, and we will start sending buses from here to that state. इतले आमी हे केल्ले आहा. ऑनलाइन हिंगा अप्लाय करतले फ्रॉम पंचायत विथ पर्टिक्युलर एवरी लायक अ लॉट ऑफ 50. सपोज एक बसीन 50 लोक फिट जाता, ह्या डिस्ट्रिक्टान हे लोक वयतले, बस नंबर हो आसतलो. सो ती त्या काउंटरपार्टाक आपल्या कलेक्टरा कडसून NOC घेतिल्ली आनी आमकां हिंगासून बोथ द NOCs वी विल गेट, विल स्टिक इट ऑन द बस, लीव द बस फ्रॉम हियर. Now the question comes about the payment of such laborers, such workers who will go there. They will have to pay their own money. If they don't have money, we will have to talk to their counterpart, their state, who will say that we will pay it over there for you to the Kadamba Transport Corporation or the private bus which is going on. State will not take that burden. This is already discussed. They will have to pay their own money or that particular state will pay. So all those people who are already having money, we will send them first. The second list will be those states whose residents these are, will write or email to the collector that we are going to pay. So let them pay the money over there, or let them transfer the money into the collector's account, or whatever, however is the modality. But we are serious to send all the stranded laborers in Goa back to their hometown. This is what the procedure has already started, and all the village panchayats should help. Sarpanchas, secretaries, I have told collector to tell all the deputy collectors to have the meetings latest by tomorrow with the talatis, with the sarpanchas, so that they start making their list of people stranded in the villages, in the wards, so that it reaches the collector and we get the NOC from their counterpart, so that the buses start leaving from Goa. बाबू म्हणटा पळय तो इज अ लीडर, टॉल लीडर. तेजे अगेन्स्ट आमी उलोवंकूच सोदिना. हांव जो उलयता इज पर्टिक्युलर ऑफिसर हू इज ट्रायंग टू स्पॉयल द नेम ऑफ द गोवा पुलीस फोर्स. शूड नॉट बी अलाउड. आय एम ऑन दॅट पॉयंट. हिंगा ट्रकाचो प्रश्न ना, हिंगा आनी कसलोच प्रश्न ना. हिंगा प्रश्न हा करप्शनाचो, आनी करप्ट ऑफिसर्स विल नॉट बी टॉलरेटेड. हे सदांच मनोहर पर्रीकर म्हणटालो. आनी तेजी लिगसी जर फुडें व्हरतलो जाल्यार डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतान should not come under any political pressure, not only about that officer or any other officer. आमचे गोवा पुलीस फोर्स इज व्हेरी क्लियर अँड क्लीन. जो तर असल्या ऑफिसरांक आयज आमी सूट दिली जाल्यार वी आर सेंडिंग अ प्रेसिडेंट दॅट हे सगळे गोंयान एलावड आहा म्हणून. तशें आमी एलाव करूंक उपकारना. ट्रक म्हाजे एकूय ना. ट्रक आख्खे बार्देजाचे आहा. जेन्ना चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगलें लोकांची घरां रिपेर कर, लोबरां थिंगासूनच येतली, पेडणेसूनच येतली, फातोरूय थिंगासून येतले, खडीय थिंगासून येतली, बाकीचे सगळे वस्तू थिंगासूनच येतली. 500 रुपया कोण दिवंक सोदिना. दॅट बर्डन वील फायनली गो ऑन द लोकल पर्सन. हिंकां ब्रायब कित्याक दिवया? इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट द ट्रक्स, इट इज ऑल्सो अबाउट द करप्शन वॉट इज गोईंग ऑन इन दॅट कोस्टल बेल्ट. ऑलरेडी थिंगा सोल्ला आमदार जो आहा बाब सोपटे, तेणें कितलेच फावटी तेजेर कंप्लेन केला वर्बली टू द ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर. एक्शन जावंक ना बिकॉज कोणाचे तरी ताका ब्लेसिंग आहा. कोणाचे ते हांव नको, ते तुमी फायंड आउट करा. आनी जो कोण म्हाजे अगेन्स्ट उलयता तो सांगतलो कोणाचे ब्लेसिंग आहा. हांव कोणाचे अगेन्स्ट उलयना. आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग अगेन्स्ट एनी मिनिस्टर. I am not talking against any MLA. I am talking about one person who is misusing the uniform of Goa police and trying to extort money in the name of that of uniform, which I will never allow to do.
So, but isn't it surprising that
he is also troubling the local people of that particular village? You check the social media, you'll come to know.
Is it not surprising that you all are from the same government, same
It's not a question of government.
No,
it's not a question of government. It's not a question of same party. It's not a question of anything like that. It's a question of principle, whether you are going to allow such things to continue or not, or you are going to put a stop to this.
Now, is it a fight?
A clear message has to go to entire Goa that Goans are very safe, and Goa police are the. I have taken an oath to keep Goans safe, free of corruption, free of all this nonsense what is going on over there. Babu, वो मनीस ह्याच पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर तेका सस्पेंड केल्लो, ह्याच पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर तेणे मर्डर केल्लो, आनी इतलो तेप कोणूच उलोवंक ना. आयज जेन्ना थिंगासर तो हो जाल्लो आहा, गब्बर सिंग जाल्लो आहा आनी लोकांक त्रास करता, त्या खातीर आयज उलोवचें पडलें म्हाका. ह्या पुलीस स्टेशनार तेणें एक मनशाक मारून हँग केल्लो, मारल्या उपरांत हँग केल्लो. तेजेर केस केल्ली आहा, FIR केल्ली आहा. डेप्युटी कलेक्टर तेन्ना साबाजी शेटी आसलो. तेजेर केस आजुनी कोर्टान चालू आहा. ह्या ऑफिसरांक व्हरोन थिंगा पुलीस स्टेशनान दिता, ते जाय तशें करता. तूं म्हाका इतलें सिंपल सांग, लॉकडावनान पार्टी कशी वाजली? रेप पार्टी लॉकडावनान कशी वाजली? कोणे परमिशन दिलें? म्हणजे कितें पुलिसाचें ब्लेसिंग जो तर ना जाल्यार ती पार्टी चालू आसूंक शकता? हेजेर व्हडलो प्रश्न आहा. 300 ट्युरिस्ट जे थिंगा आहा ते पार्टी बेश्टीच करूंक शकता. इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जातलें 100% जातलें. वी वील नॉट just allow it to die down. My letter is going to Inspector General of Police today. My letter is going to the State Vigilance Chief, that is Chief Secretary. We will see that justice is given to the people of Perne and Mandre constituency. हांव इतलेंच सांगता, आमचो सिन्सियर आहा म्हणून हायेस्ट नंबर ऑफ ड्रग केसीस are detected and people are arrested in Kalangut constituency. प्रत्येक आमदारान आपल्या आपल्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन कितें इलिगॅलिटी जाता त्यो पळोवपाची गरज आसा.
सर आनी एक इश्यू म्हणटा पळय जॉब्सांचेर देखून इश्यू जाल्लो आसा. दे आर वरीड दॅट तुमी एजंटा कडच्यान पयशे घेता म्हणून
हो इश्यू आमी चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन येयल्लो आहा. आनी जो तर इफ वी गेट क्वायट अ नंबर ऑफ रूम्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट वी वील गिव देम फ्री. वी आर ऑल्सो वर्किंग ऑन दॅट.
ऑप्शन कसले ते मेन्यू आसा.
आतां कोणे कोणे आमकां सांगलां आमी फ्री रूम दिता म्हणून तुमकां. आतां कोण ओवरसिजानसून जेन्ना सी फेरस येतले सो तांकां आमी फ्री दिवंक शकता.
चर्च इन्स्टिट्यूशनांनी दे हॅव लँडेड दे आर दे सपोर्ट यू ऑल हॅव
लेटर लेट इट कम इन रायटिंग टू द कलेक्टर. आय हॅव स्पोकन टू द कलेक्टर टुडे ऑन दीस
ऑन
that I have received a call that Cruz de Milagres is ready to give their rooms.
Okay.
Let the letter come to collector that we are giving it free of cost for seafarers or people coming from international destination, that is Goan, as free quarantine. Whatever food arrangements people will contribute and make food arrangements there. तशें जर कितें जाता जाल्यार definitely it will be free quarantine.
You support paid quarantine or free quarantine?
It's not a question of support. It's a question of how many people you are going to give. The numbers are very huge.
8,000.
No, it's not only 8,000. I'm talking about other ones also. When the flights will open, they will come. Quarantine will have to be given. So, भायरसून कोण येता तांकां quarantine करचेच पडटलें.
So when does labor zone will start?
Shifting no. आता ते आमी apply करतले न्हू. We are going to apply to the collector. Panchayats are going to make the letter. Anybody else also can make the letter. Here we are trying to bring the full details from the hotel to the panchayat. Panchayat will do online over here and collector will give the permission. That starts from today evening onwards or latest by tomorrow. So once we get the NOCs, the buses will start flying to take them to other states.
So how will the
माझेसपण 20-25 हजार आहा. Kalangut, Kandolim, Arpara, Nagwa. The number of hotels are huge. The labor force is huge. So हे सगळे लेबरांक हॉटेलाचे जे वर्कर्स आहा तांकां जर भायर धाडटले 20-25 हजार आमचेच आहा. सो बाकीचे अंजुना आसतले, वागातोर आसतले, शापोरा आसतले, मोर्जी, आरांबोल, केरी आसतले. These are all hotel industry workers, shack of this thing, water sports workers. We are आणि बाकीचे सगळे allied activities.
Everyone ready to pay.
See, the owners where they are working, they will definitely remove their ticket to go. इतले तरी करपाक जाय अशें म्हाका दिसता. आनी जे कोण फारीक करिना तेंच्या खातीर आमचो गव्हर्मेंट आनी तेंचो गव्हर्मेंट कशें कितें करतले ते will for them also we will work out. Whoever is not having money. It's not that we are going to keep you here. We will have to do arrangement to send them back.
What about Goans then? What about Goans?
Goans who are outside, they have to directly email to our collector. She gives permission. Tenka quarantine अशें ना. Tenka quarantine only for a day to check whether they are positive or negative.
I think if you ask about the efforts that are, so why can't the MLA or the minister take efforts to get Goans also like this?
So we want Goans who are stranded. Tenka already guidelines issue are. MHA has already given guidelines, so they have to directly apply here. We give permission, online permission I think. So they can come from there. Minute they reach the border, they will be escorted in the nearest quarantine where they will be removing the swab, check the swab. Within 3-4 hours get the result and home quarantine stay मारून घरा वचप.
पण त्यांचे स्टेटीने हा पळय न्हू थंयचे कलेक्टर परमिशन दिना खूब जाणांनी अप्लाय करून केले
ना आमच्या स्टेटीचे परमिशन पयलीं घेवप 100% दिता. आता MHA guidelines are very clear. it directly states that whoever is from the next state should go to that state, and that particular collector has to give the necessary NOCs for them to go, orders for them to
पण
go.
ते जे एरियन आहा ते जर रेड झोनान आहा जाल्यार मात ते प्रोसेस जावचो.
हुंय रेड झोनान आहा थिंगा मातशें प्रॉब्लम आहा. All the other zones clearances are already started
Thank you,
from
another
today.
issue